Hi and welcome to this introduction to the DXTrade platform. Today we'll be taking you through from login to first trade. We already have our credentials set up and ready to go. And this is the default layout of the platform with a watch list, chart and positions window at the bottom. Now DXTrade features these workspaces at the top which allow you to customize the experience of using the platform. Home is the default. My trading account is an example of one that you might set up for yourself. It's the same thing with the addition of a tile-based watch list. Then we have the trading dashboard, which gives you all of the important information of your performance at a glance. There's nothing here at the moment because we haven't placed any orders yet. Same goes for the trading journal and technical analysis, which is just an example of what a TA setup might look like. But today, we're going to make our own, so you can name it what you like, and as you can see it's a blank canvas. These are the options of what you can put on this canvas. So we've got, these are the most popular things by default, so we have them as buttons: charts, positions and watch list. And then you have certain account based features and trading tools that you can also add to the screen. Now these are all widgets, so you can move them around to suit the way that you like the appearance of the platform to be. I prefer my watch list in the top left and I want it in a tile format. The windows are dynamic, so you get more information depending on how much space you're given. And we have positions here at the bottom. Now you can also add things to each of these windows by pressing the plus. So here at the bottom, in addition to positions, I also want to have orders, order history and trade history. And let's add just one more tool to the mix. Let's have a news widget as well. We don't want it taking up so much space, so we can move it here into this corner and make it a bit smaller. So this is an example of a layout you might make for yourself. We'll place our first trade now. We can do it on Apple. This is what we're charting at the moment, and you can trade directly from the chart window, or you can find it in the watch list and do it from here as well. Let's do it from the window. Let's put a buy on Apple. This brings up our order window here. We're going to do a market order. We're not going to do any stop loss or take profit. We'll go into those in a further video. Click to buy and the order has been filled. You can find it here in your positions tab. Hope this was helpful. Catch you in the next one.